Hello, in today's video I'm gonna show you Prodecoder Automatic Juwel 3x3 and how it works on a safe lock. As you can see, we have cut it here so that you can be able to see the plates and the main plug and the anti-picking cuts on the plates. So the first thing we need to do is to reset the decoder. So this is called turbo wheel. Just turn it all the way to the right, grab the reset tool, Juwel 3x3, and through the small holes you start to reset the pins one by one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The decoder is now fully ready. Next step, you insert it into the lock hole. If you're too deep, obviously you won't be in the correct position. If you're a little bit out of it, then once again you won't be able to turn it. Just make sure when you try to turn it to the right, you do it very gently, or to the left respectively, depending on how the lock is oriented, but make sure it has this jumpy effect, because this way you will be 100% sure that you're on the correct position. You turn it to the right and you start. Tension is to the right, so tension. I will do it like this because I want you to be able to see what's going on with the plates. You can see them moving, and now you can see that nothing is happening. There is no clicking, and this is because it's already in anti-picking. Let me show you. You see, nothing happens. So in this situation, what you need to do is the following: slightly return it to the right, and then once again, and then you proceed. As you can see, again we are in anti-picking, so once again do it like this. And our first turn is now ready. I will eject the tool. This is the first coat, and I'm ready for the second one. Turn it to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Like this. Insert it gently once again. Make sure you're on the correct position. Now to the right. And gently you start until the first release. You hear the clicking. This is good. It means it's working. Now you increase it. And you turn it a little bit more until the second. Return, release. The amount of tension you're giving is also very important. If the tension is not enough, it may take. Now you see the same thing is happening. I will slightly zoom it. It's in anti-picking. So again, return it. The second turn is now ready. The lock is done. Of course, you can make the last turn as many times as you want to, or reverse it. This was Prodecoder Automatic on Juwel Safe Lock. Thanks for watching.